What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got something really special. Got a special treat for y'all. Got the OnePlus 11 on deck, and we got the carbon fiber case for the OnePlus 11 on deck from OnePlus. So guys, this is something I wanted to try out. I did have a OnePlus 7 Pro before. It wasn't new when I got it. The phone was out for like 2 years. This is the first time me getting an actual new OnePlus device when it comes out. So this is something different for me. I'm gonna see how y'all interact with it, and we're gonna see if I continue the coverage on this thing. I really wanted to try it out. As you can see, nice red box. The box is kind of big, so it's definitely something up in there. I haven't had an unboxing like this in a minute, but it's really just say OnePlus 11 on the front. Nice red box. There we go, and we greeted with never settle, so very dope. Never settle, that's their logo. OnePlus went high, then they kind of went low when they kind of got with Oppo and things of that nature. I felt like OnePlus was really good when they were starting out with the kind of cheaper phones, battling flagships. Then they got expensive and they kind of fell off, but now we back. So this is just a bunch of little guys. I'm gonna get this stuff out the way. You know we not reading nothing. As you can see, we got the device, and as you can see, we got an in-display fingerprint reader. Go ahead and get the device out. So here we have the device. I'm gonna set it to the side for now, guys. See what else is in the box. It's exciting to see what else is going on in the box. And here we have it, guys. 80-watt fast charging here in the United States, I believe. Big charging brick. I'm definitely gonna be utilizing this. I'm impressed with 45-watt charging, so 80-watt is gonna go crazy. I like that. I like the sound of that. I like that that's in the box. Samsung, Apple, you should be ashamed of yourself. And we got a nice little cable here. I've been always curious about these cables. Like, are they really quality? They red. They, look like OnePlus put an extra pizzazz on the cable. Definitely sturdy and stiff. Pause. But I just don't like the fact that it's a Type A to Type C. I feel like in 2023, everything should be Type C to Type C. Type A feels kind of like a throwback Thursday a little bit. OnePlus, don't do this no more. Just do the straight Type C to Type C. We got the device. Let's get the plastic off, guys. Okay, guys, I had to remove that sticker. I ain't want y'all in my business, but I went with the black colorway, guys, and I like the feel. This is different. No fingerprints at all. That's tight. No fingerprints at all. And this year, I like this design with the Hasselblad camera setup. I feel like the circle. When they had the stove on the OnePlus 10 Pro, I felt like that. It looked like a stove to me. This, because it's circular, reminds me of something to do with a camera, like a camera lens, things of that nature. So I just like this design, like how I look. Y'all know I always say I love the matte with the gloss, and we got the matte back with the glossy OnePlus logo. Very, very nice, guys. This is a gorgeous. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. It feels premium. It looks premium. I'm excited. So we got these nice aluminum frame rails, and you see how this aluminum frame rail just work over into the camera. Just a good look, guys. I'm excited for this. This is like a 6.7-inch display, 1440 display, guys. So very dope. 120 hertz LTPO3, I believe. So a very nothing to be slept on. 8 Gen 2, but I do have the 8 gigs of RAM here, guys. I didn't get the 16 gigs of RAM. This is gonna be a fun phone for me. I think this is gonna be like my super best Nova launcher setup on my OnePlus 11. Like, that's how I'm feeling. This is more so just a tech enthusiast purchase over a YouTube purchase, guys. I'm excited. On the bottom, what we got going on is a dual SIM. I learned it's a dual SIM. We got a speaker, we got a Type C, we got the power button on the right side, we got the volume rocker on the left side, and don't forget about the alert slider. A lot of people talked about the alert slider. Alert slider is back. That's very dope. We're gonna go ahead. I'm just go ahead and power it on for y'all one time for the one time, but this is just an unboxing. Now we got the Aramid fiber case. You know I love this Aramid fiber case. So to have an OEM Aramid fiber case, I love stuff like this. I think this is dope. See what it say on the back. As you can see, premium protection, durable fit, unique design. OnePlus 5G Aramid fiber bumper case, black. Okay, guys, this is gorgeous, guys. I'm feeling this. I think this is gonna be very dope on my device. I got the sandstone also. That'll be in another video probably, but this is looking good. I wanted this specifically. I'm excited. So it does look like it offers a little protection, guys. It is kind of raised up. I thought this would be like a later case or a Pataka, but it got some size to it. Got a button press to it. Things of that nature. Cutouts on the bottom. OnePlus eView Tech. I guess that's a collaboration. I guess that's who made this case. And I think it looks good. I think it's gonna look fire on the device. That alert slider cutout, power button, and we got the volume rocker. So what y'all think, guys? This fire or what? Is this fire or what? And my capping, or is this really fire, right? Is this black? Is this Aramid fiber? Is this fire or what, man? And it's got some edges to it, low minimum raised lip, but it does have a raised lip, but minimum. But I didn't expect any at all on a carbon fiber case for real, guys. I never seen one of these in real life. But yeah, this is my OnePlus 11. This is the Aramid fiber case. This is just the unboxing. Y'all gotta let me know down in the comment section if y'all really want me to follow up with this device, because if not, I'm just gonna be playing with it in the background. Pause. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Get subscribed if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.